Good morning friends, today we're going to study basic IP addressing and subnetting with the help of two network scenarios. Here we have scenario 1 and 2, one over here and 2 over here. So what is the thing that we're going to do is we're going to explain about IP addressing. So IP addressing is divided into 5 types. Those are class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. So class A is we use class A, B, C commonly and not D and E, but we'll just talk about class A and B, A, B and C. So A ranges from 1 to 127, B ranges from 128 to 191, and C ranges from 191 to 223. D and E, as I said before, we are not going to use those. Class A has one network and 3 hosts. Class B has 2 networks and 2 hosts. Class C has 3 networks and 1 host. So you can predict the subnet mask of those classes. So for class A it will be 255.0.0.0, and for class B it will be 255.255.0.0, and for class C it will be 255.255.255.0. Those will be the subnet mask. And here, as we can see, there are 25 hosts. So totally we need 30 IP addresses, and as you can see in this case we have 2 routers and 4 switches and 4 PCs. So it's a 3-bit and it needs 5 subnets are needed. So you need to create you need to create hosts as per the subnet. So it will be 30 subnets as I mentioned before, and here's a calculation that we are doing, and this is the tabular column that we have created using this. This is the network address. We are not using the network address as our first address, but here we have the first address, second host address and the broadcast address. And as I said, there are 5 subnets which are needed to be created, and we have created 5. And for scenario 2 we have we have 4 routers, 4 switches and 4 PCs, and this is also a 3-bit operation, and it needs 8 subnets, and it needs 7 subnets, and it creates 8 subnets. So here's the calculation, and as I said before, we need 7 subnets. So we have created 7 tabular columns, and this is the network address, first host address and second host address, broadcast address. This also need 30 IP addressing. That's it.